Hey there, so welcome to a new video. And today I thought let's make that project open source. So then, yeah, I'm gonna make it open source, which is programming quiz website. It was hosted previously, but I didn't like it, so then I remove it from hosting platform. Okay, so let me show you the functionalities it has. Okay, let me run it first. We have to install npm, and then we have to run it. This is run script. Okay, run start. Okay, it is running. Then, and firstly, before running, check here your credentials in this env file. I'll keep it like as it is, but I'll remove my credentials, and you have to add here your own. Okay, I'll change in those credentials some things. Okay, so let's go and see. Okay, so let me close firstly tabs. Yeah, so these much things it has. We can let me sign up first. So for sign up, and you can get this website source code from description. I'm gonna make it open source. Okay, but how many functionalities it has, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna uh, like tell you that how it works. Okay, so then in interviews you would able to express that what you've done, right? So yeah, you can use this project in interviews as well. Okay, so I'm making it open source. So let's give it a name like Saurav. Okay, Saurav, and then and you, even if you don't want to show it in interviews, but the login pages and register pages are pretty good. They are very good because the lock icon and those icons are very impressive, and that will help you in interviews as well. And let's give it a password like Saurabh at that to 1234. Okay, and the same password will go here and sign up. So it says registration successful, and then save it, and then let's go to login page, and then it is automatically here, so we can see the password as well. And remember me, whatever it is, and here you can add your own links. Okay, so I've added my own links, but you can add here your own links as well. So let's log in. Oh, this email is wrong, so Saurabh at that gmail.com. Okay, and login. Yeah, so that's how this website looks like, and it has a dark mode button where we can switch to dark mode when we are using this website at night. Okay, and it has light button, like light mode button also. So here is home page. This is home page, and it has quiz page, register login. That doesn't make sense, but I've just added there. Okay, and let's click on start quiz button. And how it is start quiz button is working, and like how those quizzes are generating. Let me show you the quizzes on Java, so then you will know that why, like how the quizzes are generating. So we got one quiz. What is the difference between equal to in Java? So yeah, so we can use here compare reference equal compare. Yeah, this is correct, I think. Oh, it is not clicking. Let's refresh. Yeah, so what is the which of the following is used to declare constant in Java? So I think final. Yeah, it was correct. And I've increased its like what we say it like when we will answer to, I will increase its like capacity of question coming, like we can change it as well. I have specified it in somewhere. Let me show you. In scripts file I have specified that somewhere. It has been so much time I haven't seen this project, so it will take some time to find it, because it's been long time I haven't saw this project, right? So here, that might be here somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, this is timeout, I think. So we have to make it as 1000, then we'll click on it, refresh it, then see. Yeah, yes, you can, as you can see that questions are taking some time to generate, right? Yes, it is taking some time to generate. So that's what I have done before. So what is Java? So Java is programming language. Yeah, it is correct. And we can increase its time as well, like for 2000. So 2000 means it will take so much, right? What is the keyword is used in Java in inheritance? So extends. Yeah, so it will take that much time. So that makes sense, right? This makes sense. So it's correct. So it has done. You understood what to do here. Okay, so then after this I would say that from where these questions are coming, right? From where? So let me show you that I've stored those questions in JSON. So where is JSON? Let me see. I've added those all question in a JSON file. JSON. Yeah, this is, I think, JSON. No, that is node module. Profile. Yeah, this is question.json. Yeah, question.json, and this is okay. We got it. Where it was? Yeah, here it was, but I couldn't found it. Okay, so here you can add like it is, these questions are all generated in client side. I haven't added here a server, so you can consider it. If you want to add here server, so you can do it as well. Okay, so as you can see here, all the Java's questions are here, and then here downside here might be JavaScript's question. Let me see where it is. We have to do like that. Let me see which language comes after that. C. So we have to find it just like not C, but Python. Yeah, we can find it. Yes, so these are all Python's question. Okay, and this is C's question. So I have added lots of question into it with using AI. Okay, so these are all questions which are generating, and this page also has a toggle dark mode button, and I don't know why it is not working. And I'm gonna host it, like I'm gonna open source it as it is. Okay, I'm not gonna make any changes into it. So we can like log in, forget password as well. Forget password is also working, but there is pages of forget password, but I don't know why it is not working. I think I mistakenly give some wrong routes to it. Yeah, but you can see here forget password as well, and those pages are so much impressive, right? Look at those pages. Those are so much impressive, so you can consider in your project as well, or like in interviews as well, you can use these. Okay, so I'm gonna open source it. So let's do it. I need to firstly send it on GitHub, right? So here it is, git init git add dot, and the last commit is like oh, I forget that commit. So let's push from here. So commit first, final commit, and if you want to improve it for like some peoples which are gonna use it in future, so you can contribute into it. Okay, so npm push main, like it will push into main, but let me delete my credentials, the env file. Okay, to delete an env file, I need to okay, I've shown it. Okay, it's okay. I'm showing my env file. It's okay. So you have to change it, some secrets like that. Okay, I'm changing some secrets. I'll delete this env file, like this env project from my online cluster database. Okay, so don't take stress of it. I will delete it. Okay, so it's time to push. Okay, so push, and then yeah, it is finally on main branch. And let's go on the GitHub, and let me make it open source. So here it is, and I'm gonna make it. Yeah, you know bro, I have worked on this website. It has been so much time, and I can't forget this website, because I've been working on this since 6 months it has been. And I think I need to add here some screenshot as well, so I'll add those. Okay, so let's make it open source, and then let's end the video. Okay, I'm not an YouTuber, so I don't know how to end the video. Okay. So change to public, and okay, so it's done. And currently my website as open source project. Okay, so it is open source, and I hope you like this video, and I'll add the its source code in descriptions. Okay, so till then, like, share and subscribe, stay curious, and keep practicing.